Hi there! If you're watching this video, it probably means you've either purchased one of our themes and modules or you're right on the fence thinking about it. First off, congratulations, you're in the right place. Now I can spend all day telling you about our features, options, different modules, different variations, but I think it's more powerful if I show you what they do. So come with me and let's build something together. For this video, we'll be building a pricing page. Okay, so let's start. I don't want to start with the pricing just yet, so let's replace that. I'll show you how easy it is to do that. You just add whatever module you want. In this case, I would like to add a banner. Drag and drop. And that's it. Congratulations, you've replaced your first module and it's super easy every time. For this variation, I would like to go with number 7. I love this one because it has a form, so it looks very good. As you can see, that's a great start to the page. I don't want to continue with pricing, so let's also replace that one. And I'll show you one of our most powerful modules, which is the CTA features module. We just drag and drop and choose our variation. In this case, I'll choose number 24. That's it. We've changed it. As you can see, we can fully customize everything you see here, from alignment, fonts, logos, images, text, CTAs, anything you see, you can fully customize. This blends a little, so I would like to change its background. Let's change it to a light gray color, just to have some contrast between sections. Let's see how that looks. So much better. Now we have a little bit of contrast with sections. Now, I will want to continue with the pricing. We can fully customize everything here, from the theme sizes, different seats. All of these repeaters are fully customizable. You can toggle monthly, yearly, change the copy, change the title, add headlines, list different items, change the CTAs. For the next section, I would like to stick with the pricing module, but a different variation. In this case, number 18. This is our pricing calculator. This is a great module. As you can see, we have this slider here. We can fully customize it. Each repeater can be changed to whatever you want. You can change the plan benefits, headers. You can even toggle a popular card, which will change how it looks here in the corner. Let's see how that looks. I think that's perfect. So we have our first module, the banner with copy and a form. We have a CTA. We continue with the pricing, a pricing calculator. We can get rid of this one actually. And then we move to the FAQs, which you can add as many FAQs as you want. So let's recap our page. We start, all looks really good, with the form here, CTA module here with an image. Then we start with the pricing. We can change this to whatever you want. Then we have the pricing calculator and FAQs. As you can see, that didn't take long at all. It just shows how easy it is to work with our modules and themes. You can fully change it to your brand colors, your own fonts, logos, alignment, anything you want to customize, you can do. I hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed walking through the process of how we build a page with an easy drag and drop modules and themes. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out and we can schedule a quick call. Thank you for watching.